I do that a lot. I'd be walking along for 20 minutes thinking I'm recording something, and I don't even have the record button on. So, we're on the west side of the UNB woodlots. That's across the highway. And it's kind of fixing itself. Like it used to be really hit hard with the beetles, and so it's starting to, nature's starting to come back here. And so that could be another reason why they're just letting it go.
Yeah.
Too.
Just to keep it untouched for a little bit.
Yeah. But as you can see, the trees, like they don't have a lot of full branches up about 8 feet. But now they're starting to fill in again.
You must have got a little frost.
Yeah. But there's every kind of tree you can imagine here. Look, you got cedar. That's cedar. You got that one right there. If I can get out of the sun. Here we go. You got this one that's pine. This one is fir. This one is some coniferous tree. It's some kind of a spruce. But that's balsam fir. And then you got jack pine.
Yeah.
Right here. Another cedar. Look, you even got a maple.
Oh,
got a maple. That's a spruce. Almost looks like a blue spruce.
Mm-hmm.
And what else do we got? That's just regular spruce. And then back in here, right there, get my finger on it. Those are birch. That's a big cedar tree right there. But yeah, there's all kinds, every tree you can imagine back here. I'm surprised I don't see one of those funny looking ones that in Africa they have the big.
Oh yeah.
But that is a big pine hanging out right there. And feel free to tell me I'm wrong in comments. But I do know my trees. When you start working in the woods when you're 12 years old, you get a little used to it. I told you to cut all the hardwood, not all the softwood. Well, I'm glad I only got 3 acres. Hectares. I'm always amazed at the great big rocks you find in these areas. Like you're kind of in the, yeah, you're kind of in the deep woods, and then you look around and you see these huge rocks. But animals, you just don't see many animals.
It's quite quiet out there.
It's very quiet. You don't even
There's
hear
no
a bird.
birds.
Yeah, you don't even hear a bird chirping.
Where are you, buddy?
Now the video I took yesterday was over in Miramichi, and all kinds of birds.
Oh yeah. They
Around.
were quite.
Look at all these pine trees. There's a whole bunch of them right there. And a bunch up there. Yeah. The videos get a little boring without some animal action.
Cooper!
Because Cooper, he just
Takes off.
takes off and does what he does. So now we're gonna go this way, and I'm not gonna make the same mistake I made last time. Because last time I ended up coming out on. Yeah. The last time I ended up coming out on Bishop Drive or by Kent.
Oh god. Yeah. Let's not do that.
So we need to look for
A side trail?
trails that way. Okay, we get Cooper here. It's not too tidy. Okay, so I'm gonna stop this.